Come, let's look at this JAMB past question, Geography 2018, question number 34. Use the map below to answer questions 32, 33, and 34. This is the map of Nigeria indicating places. This is Plateau, Nasarawa region. This is Y. X is Plateau, Nasarawa region. Y is Enugu, Anambra region. And this is Z, close to Delta, Ondo, and down south. So the question goes, the most extensive vegetation type in the area marked Z is the A. Mangrove swamp, B. Coastal thicket, C. Freshwater swamp, D. Guinea savanna, E. rainforest. So what is the area marked as indicated? What is the area marked as indicated? Now we all know that the area around Delta Rivers area, this Z area, is actually the mangrove swamp region. Down this side you also have the rainforest, but the mangrove swamp is the area around rivers Bayelsa and Delta. So that is the area that is indicated as shown. So what is this mangrove swamp all about? Mangrove swamp forest is found north of the Atlantic Ocean. The mangrove swamp forest covers the delta. So this area is delta, and that is what mangrove swamp covers. The delta creeks, very, very important. The delta creeks in the delta states and the tidal waters of the coastal areas. That is where we have the mangrove swamp. The waters here are salty. So how do you, it is not fresh water, we have what we call salty water, and it has no nature forest vegetation apart from the presence of water hyacinth, which tends to occupy the surface of the water. So you have a kind of animal, a kind of plant that occupies the surface of the water around here. It is found in places like Calabar, Port Harcourt, Delta, etc. So we're talking about areas like Port Harcourt, talking about areas like Calabar and Delta areas, and that is the area along this side, and that is why we'll pick option A as the right answer. Thank you.